Zoom, इसको देखो. Zoom, इसको देखो.
अक्षय और उनके प्रैंक्स के कई किस्से हैं, पर कभी भी उन्होंने शरारत की आड़ में बदतमीजी नहीं की. Neither did he ever try to prove his superiority. He knew his limits and he only had fun with people who were close to him. बाकी co-stars और first time actors के साथ अक्षय रहे हैं बहुत ही cordial and supportive.
He's someone who's the master of action. Although I had learnt what I was supposed to do, the minute I saw him in his full attire with the sword, I felt like running away from there. I couldn't be there anymore. But that's when he called me and he said, you shouldn't get tensed and be all nervous. You have to relax your body and treat it like a dance. And that's exactly what we did. We rehearsed it a couple of times and I think we've got a fabulous take.
चाहे न्यूकमर दीपिका पादुकोण हो या फिर इनकी लकी मैस्कॉट कटरीना कैफ.
I was scared of Akshay. I thought he was the most intimidating person on the planet because he's so big and tall and he can be very serious and he stands in his corner like that with that strong look he has. And slowly I realized that he's actually such a simple, very dedicated person to his work. And if you are dedicated to your work, he loves that.
विद्या बालन और रिमी सेन जैसी फर्स्ट टाइम एक्ट्रेसेस का भी यही मानना है that अक्षय कुमार is a wonderful person.
His dedication is infectious.
बहुत प्रोफेशनल हैं अक्षय सर, काफ़ी सपोर्ट करते हैं, काफ़ी हेल्पफुल हैं और कभी उन्होंने मुझे न्यू कमर की तरह ट्रीट नहीं किया.
और वहीं वेटरन एक्ट्रेस करीना कपूर का ये है कहना. I have done about 9 movies with Akshay and I have known him since he has done his first film when he was giving his first shot. I was behind the camera, so that's the relationship I have with Akshay. It's an emotional relationship. I am most comfortable with Akshay Kumar as my co-star, maybe because he has seen me in my school uniform with 2 pigtails hanging around. So it's a relationship which I think you feel really close to. Well, like they say, if you want to know more about a man, then ask his friends. तो अकी के साथ जिस किसी ने काम किया है, they all have some or the other facts to reveal about him. And one such interesting subject we tripped upon was Akshay Kumar's 7th sense.
6th sense तो हर शख्स के पास है. ये 7th sense मतलब ये सिर्फ मुझे इस शख्स में नजर आया है. कॉरिडोर में हम खड़े हुए हैं, मेरे कमरे के बाहर को 20 मीटर की दूरी पे एक दूसरा कमरा खुला हुआ है. मुझसे कहता है जो भी उस कमरे में है वो इस वक्त अपना दांत ब्रश कर रहा है. हम वहां गए, वो बगड़ साहब का कमरा था, मोहन बगड़ का, जो हमारे फाइट डायरेक्टर थे. उसका कमरे का दरवाजा खुला है, बाथरूम का दरवाजा खुला और वो वाकई ब्रश कर रहा था.
सुनील दर्शन, जिनके साथ अक्षय कुमार ने कुछ 7 फिल्में की हैं, has a very strong bond with the actor.
I think he's very happy with himself, बहुत ambitious है और मैं सोचता हूँ बहुत street smart है. अब कामयाबी है तो उसे इंटेलिजेंस भी कहा जा सकेगा, लेकिन बहुत अच्छी ग्रोथ है उसकी, स्लो एंड स्टेडी, ऑब्जर्वेंट है और उसकी खूबसूरती सबसे यह है कि वो आपको इतने खूबसूरती से अपने कॉन्फिडेंस में ले पाता है.
और वहीं नमस्ते लंदन के प्रोड्यूसर विपुल शाह का कहना है, I have been saying this for the last 5 years that Akshay Kumar is a dream to work with. He is a complete actor having all the qualities of a superstar.